Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting edition with Fashion Boss Innovation. So I'm teaching us today how to make this round auto-gele, okay? But in this class, we are going to focus on how to make the base first, and then on our next video, we'll make the frame. Hope we understand. Please kindly subscribe and then we get started. Thank you for doing that. All right. Aha. So here we are. I'm going to welcome you guys, but let us start first, okay? So in making the base of an auto-gele, okay, I have here with me a 3 cut out piece of ashoke, okay, and then I joined it. The measurement is 19 inches. That is for the head circumference. Hope you understand. And then I cut it into 3, 19 into 3, like I'm showing you right now. And then I joined, okay, to give us the width of the base. After joining, I'm going ahead right now, or I already went ahead to fold both edges like I'm showing you right now to prevent it from fraying. I'm sure we all know the nature of ashoke. All right, so we are going to start forming our pleats right now. Yes, our pleats. First and foremost, I fold it inwardly like I'm showing you right now using a 1-inch measurement to fold in. This is the first step of forming the plate. You know that usual plate you have, in the front of your in the front of your auto-gele, right? That is what we're about to form right now. I fold it this way and then I sew it. It is the first plate. So I'm going to go ahead right now to pick other plates, okay? In picking the plates, you have to propose in your heart how many of the plates you need or you want to create. This is also subject to the quantity of ashoke you have available with you, okay? For what we are using is just 3 ways that we joined, okay? So we are only going to form like 3 or 4 plates, okay? So I form my plates this way and then I use my pin to hold it down in place for me. And then after holding it down in place for me, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and then I'm going to run a straight stitch on it, okay? That's how to form a plate. After doing that, you pick the next plate, making sure that this next one you are picking covers the thread you use in sewing the first one to give you a very neat job, okay? I hold it down with my pin again and then I'm gonna sew. So you continue like this till you get the number of pleats you want on your auto-gele base, okay? All right. So if this is your first time of stopping by our channel, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for stopping by. We really love and appreciate you. Before you go, kindly remember to click on the subscription button in front of you and tap on the bell so you get notified whenever we drop a new video. So I am done forming my plate. I went ahead to iron it to give it a very beautiful look like you can see right now. So at this junction, we are going to attach a strap. We used to strap in the base to the back of our head. And I'm using a Velcro tape for it. Okay, you can also use your ashoke to make a strap, but we're using a Velcro tape. So I'm cutting out a 5 inches Velcro tape. I'm sure we are all familiar with Velcro tape. It is called plaster. It is called husband and wife because it comes into like this, and then you know how it works. Okay, so I'm going to also use a piece of ashoke to cover the Velcro tape. Some people usually use it like that, but I really do think it doesn't really look nice, okay, when you use it like that without covering it with your fabric. So I pick up a piece of ashoke in no particular measurement. I just cut it into 2 equal half and then I fold like you can see me do right now, okay? And then I'm going to place my Velcro tape on it and I will sew. Please just watch with keen interest and you will definitely get the steps. I want to welcome our returning subscriber. I love you so very much. Without you, the returning subscriber, without you, the new first timers and the new subscribers and the new viewers, there is no fashion boss. Thank you so very much for always coming back to our channels. We appreciate you. God bless you. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, share this video, comment, let us know your concern, let us know the area you are not understanding. Drop your comments and we are always here to provide solutions to your concerns. Share the video, it is very important, and please do not forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you so very much for doing that. We love you. Mwah. Right, so let us continue. So this is how to cover your velcro tape basically. Okay, there isn't no hard and fast rule about it. Okay, just watch what I'm doing and you will get it. But if you don't want to fold your fabric this way and place your velcro tape on it, you can sew your fabric, okay, and then turn it inside out. If you are familiar with that step, please kindly do, okay. So after placing your velcro tape, holding it down with your pin, you just sew along the area I'm showing you right now. And then your strap is ready. You do the same to the other velcro and we are good to go. All right, it looks beautiful, right? Okay. You can as well reduce this velcro tape to like 3-4 inches, okay, but it's always good to be in SS than to be in short. All right, sometimes some of these clients have big hair, plenty braids, you know, and all of those, so it's always good to have SS than to be in short. So I just place one part of the velcro tape to my base this way, and then I'm just going to hold it down with my sewing machine. Simple, simple, no big deal. Okay, I do the same to the other side, and basically guys, our Auto-Gele base is ready. Okay, so please note one thing I would like you not to miss is, if you watch very well, the other part of the velcro tape, okay, the strappy part, this black part is facing us, is facing up, okay. You make sure that this other part is facing down. If you don't do it that way, it won't come out the way it should be. And then we are done with our base, and this is the outcome of the base. Thank you so very much for staying tuned. The next video after now is going to be how to create the frame, the round frame on top of your Auto-Gele base, which altogether will give you your round Auto-Gele. Please stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe so that you'll be the first to know the moment that very video is dropped. We are working on it already. Thank you very much for subscribing. See you in our next video. Bye.